In my first marketing minute, I noted the benefit to knowing what the payback odds are when gambling in Las Vegas. I use that as a metaphor for measuring and managing how you spend your marketing dollars. In this marketing minute, I'll dive into 3 hidden benefits to asking one question to prospective homebuyers. So Dave, what's that question that will deliver those hidden benefits? Well, the question to ask interested potential buyers for your listing is, where did you first see this home? The replies you receive are worth gold because you'll receive valuable insights that will help you measure and manage the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. The first benefit: if you spend money on print media, Facebook ads, or mailers, you'll find out if anyone responded and sought more information by going online or getting in their car to visit the property in person. Hey, when you hear a response that they saw your open house sign first, that's valuable feedback too. Second benefit: if the response you hear is that the first contact with your listing was online, the details of where online can help you allocate more marketing focus to that platform. Now, some agents have large social media networks, and the feedback may indicate that paid Facebook ads will be a good investment. If a major percentage of replies to your question tell you that Redfin was a large source, then the wise thing to pursue would be to identify how to optimize your media for Redfin. Third benefit from asking the question, where did you first see the listing, is that you'll learn where not to spend your marketing dollars. Investing your marketing dollars is a lot like gambling. If sending out postcards 10 years ago won you a couple of buyers for your listings, you might be inclined to continue putting money in that slot machine and pulling the handle, hoping for years for another jackpot. But if you aren't actively monitoring the contact your media is making with buyers, you won't know where not to spend your marketing dollars. Now, in addition to asking that question, you can watch and analyze viewing statistics on your Zillow listing page, on your 3D tour, and on property videos. I can help with providing that data and analyzing with you. If you're interested in my help to figure out where not to spend your marketing dollars, call me and I'd be happy to consult with you.